Okay, so you have clicked on a tutorial for the induction process, step 3.1. So the first step is to draw up employee agreements inclusive of the letter of engagement, position description, policies and employment conditions, the IFA proposal letter, and the IFA template. So the first step is to go to SharePoint homepage and scroll down to PCS templates. From here you have two options to go through SharePoint view, or I like to go through library and open up through Explorer. I find it more user friendly. So we continue through to careers and HR. Up the top you'll see a standard employee agreement and correspondence, a standard contractor agreement and correspondence, and then some alternative position descriptions. Majority of the time that would be coming on as a standard employee. So let's go ahead and open up that file. You'll see the first document, the letter of engagement. So there's four potential options for an employee to come on as a casual basis, full-time, part-time, or a day roster cycle. So for today's example, we're going to use a casual basis. Go ahead and open up that file. You'll see the document here. So you begin to fill out the fields. So first you start with today's date. Then you complete their personal details, so by starting with their full legal name, then their home address, and we can tab through the fields, ensuring that we have not missed our field. So first drop down boxes to determine what level the security officer is coming on board as. So level 1, for example, less than 12 months. Level 2, more than 12 months experience. And that's in relation to experience with professional caliber security, the company. So we're tabbing through. You'll see here you get to remuneration, clause 7, 7.1. So level 1 is entitled to $25 per hour. Now level 2 is entitled to $26 an hour. What level they are allocated would be determined by operational managers and also the HR manager. So from here you can see this document is complete and ready to be printed. So the circumstance, you need to ensure that it is on color and it is also two-sided print. So go ahead and print that. Now going back a step, the next document is the position description. Now this document has no fields to be complete or completed, so it's just a matter of printing off that document, ensuring that it is in color, and it also is printed two-sided. Now it's the same with the policies and employment conditions. That can be printed again, ensuring that it's in color and it's two-sided. And finally we have the individual flexible agreement, or the IFA. There is different basis that this IFA is placed on, so majority of the time it would be a casual employment contract, so we're using a casual employment proposal letter or IFA proposal letter. Double click that and open that up, and then we complete the required fields. Again, using the full legal name, home address, Then we tab through. There's a field required here to cross-check what wage rate they are entitled to per hour. As a level 1, as previously mentioned, it's $25 an hour. You are now complete. Print using color, double-sided. We print that document. Now we've completed the proposal letter. Now we actually go to the IFA template itself. Again, ensuring that it's on a casual basis. For this example, type in the applicant's full legal name again. That would populate when you tab through. Again, it populates. Putting in the home address. Now, this is important because when the new starter is entitled to a cooling off period. So basically what that means is it's 3 or 4 days for the employee to read through the agreement before it commences. So in the circumstances where they are to start, for example, this weekend, the 20th, I would ensure that the agreement starts on the 24th, which would allow 3 or 4 days for the employee to go over the agreement and be happy to continue with that agreement. So tabbing through again, you can see that there's another field required in regards to remuneration. Again, it's $25 an hour for a level 1 casual employee in crowd control. And finally, you're able to print that document again, ensuring that it's in color and double-sided. And that process is complete. Finally, you just need to ensure that the employee or employees have signed all the required fields, ensuring that they have initialed down the bottom of each and every page. And you are now complete.